I'd like to join everybody else in thanking and congratulating Duncan and the team on an excellent event today. So thank you. We're very delighted to be sponsors for the first time at Honda of this award and the event, and in particular, obviously, being market share leaders, of course, of the ATV of the Year. So finalists of the ATV Quad Bike Dealer of the Year are Stratton ATV Limited, Clin ATVs, apologies for the pronunciation there, and ARC ATVs. So this year's winner has been selling ATVs in North Wales for over 25 years. Well, that narrows it down a bit. And now his son is following his footsteps with a second branch in Derbyshire. This entry was supported by great customer feedback. This year's winner is Clin ATVs.